Hi, my name is Mrs. Lewis, and I am the visual art teacher here at VWHS High School, and I'm going to be talking to you about AP Art. AP Art is a year-long course in which the course is designed by the AP College Board, but I teach the course. So AP Art is designed for students who are wanting to receive a college art credit and have a true passion for art. This is a year-long course, and the requirements beforehand are to take fundamentals of 2D, drawing, painting 2, and digital art 2, depending on what kind of medium they would like to explore in their courses, or through this course. And you can also take fundamentals of 3D, then ceramics and sculpture 2. And I would say it's a good idea to have a class in studio art, so whether you are doing studio drawing, studio painting, studio ceramics, studio sculpture, or studio digital, just so you have that preparation step of figuring out your own content, the student figuring out their own content before they try out AP Art, because with AP Art they will be doing a sustained investigation, so doing their own research, doing their own interviews, experimenting with materials throughout the whole entire year, and then their content that they are creating will go into a portfolio that is graded by the AP College Board and myself. And then they receive a final score from a 1 to 5 scale from the AP College Board. In this course, they will have rubrics that they will still fill out for their projects to receive credit, high school credit from me. And then they will also be filling out critiques, doing those in class. Those normally take a little bit longer with AP Art just because everybody's content is so different and the mediums are different, what they are using. And students will be filling out sketchbook assignments beforehand, so I can help them with their projects, help them with their ideas. So AP Art is really great for students that are interested in the professional career field of art, or are interested in getting a college credit in an art course, much similar to a studio course in a college level. So that is AP Art.